New Mexico Real Estate Principles Workbook, page 32. F. Emergency includes any man-made or natural disaster causing or threatening widespread physical or economic harm that is beyond local control and requires the resources of the state. 61-1-3. Opportunity for licensee or applicant to have hearing. Every licensee or applicant shall be afforded notice and an opportunity to be heard before the board has authority to take any action which would result in A. Denial of permission to take an examination for licensing for which application has been properly made as required by board rule. B. Denial of a license after examination for any cause other than failure to pass an examination. C. Denial of a license for which application has been properly made as required by board rule on the basis of reciprocity or endorsement or acceptance of a national certificate of qualification. D. Withholding the renewal of a license for any cause other than 1. Failure to pay the required renewal fee. 2. Failure to meet continuing education requirements. Or 3. Issuance of a temporary license extension if authorized by statute. E. Suspension of a license. F. Revocation of a license. G. Restrictions on limitations on the scope of a practice. H. The requirement that the applicant complete a program of remedial education or treatment. I. Monitoring of the practice by a supervisor approved by the board. J. The censure or reprimand of the licensee or applicant. K. Compliance with conditions or probation or suspension for a specific period of time. L. Payment of a fine for a violation not to exceed $1,000 for each violation unless a greater amount is provided by law. M. Corrective action as specified by the board, or N. A refund to the consumer of fees that were billed to and collected from the consumer by the licensee. 61-1-3, period 1. Limitations. A. An action that would have any of the effects specified in subsections D through N of section 61 through 1-3 NMSA 1978, or any action related to unlicensed activity shall not be initiated by a board later